Hey, what's up guys, this is Rajesh and you are watching Input Output Canvas. So today we'll discuss about a very important topic in JavaScript, which is break and continue in JavaScript in a very simple way and with some very easy to understand example. Okay, so in the previous video we have learned the do while loop and while loop and for loop. So if you still have not watched that video, please watch that video, because in this video we are going to implement the break and continue using for loop or while loop. Okay, and the main thing, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon, because when I'll upload new video you'll get the notification at first. Okay, so don't skip this part. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, we have created a folder here as usual, that is lesson 15, and then what we will do, then we'll create a file here by pressing here. Let's create a file that is index.html. okay, so our HTML file is ready. So let's write some HTML code here by pressing this exclamatory sign. So just write this exclamatory sign and you will get some suggestions here. Okay, just press enter and your HTML code is ready. Now come to this body part, and inside this body part let's write the script tag here. Okay, script tag. Now the script tag is ready, and now inside this script tag we can write a JavaScript code here. So we'll start this with some for loop, because inside the for loop we'll implement this break and continue. We'll use this break and continue inside this for loop. So please practice the for loop in the previous video if you have not practiced the for loop yet, because I have used some basic example, very easy to understand example there. So please watch that video and then come to this video. So let's write the for loop here. So in the for loop we have to write the first, that is the initialization part. So for variable I equals to 0, okay, this is the initialization part. So next part is what? Next part is condition part. So our condition is equals to I less than equals to 20. So this is the condition part. So the third part is left. So what is the third part? And the third part is updation part. Okay, then we'll write the body, and inside this body we'll use some if else, and you know how to use the if else. So there is also some videos on if else in this playlist, you can watch that video. So just write here if and then conditions here. Okay, if I equals to 10, then we want to print some message here. So how to print the message? Just write a document dot write and print the message like I want to print this message. Okay, just save it and just press on this go live button, and you can see our output is 10. Okay, this is our expected output. Now we'll use break and continue. Okay, so first of all let's understand what is break. So break, the name itself defines it will break something. So what it will break? So it will break the loop. Break keyword gives us the opportunity to break the loop. If we want to break the loop, so the loop will iterate from 0 to 20. Okay, suppose we don't want to go to the up to 20, so we want to break the loop if I equals to 10. When I equals to 10, then we want to break the loop. Okay, so let's cut it from here and paste it here outside of this if conditions. And if this I equals to 10, then we'll write here break. It will break this whole for loop and it will go outside of this for loop. So what will be our result? Let's guess what will be our result. So it will print 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and when it will check if I equals to 10, yes, if this condition satisfied, then it will break the loop and go outside of this for loop, and it will not print anything after this. Okay, so let's save it, and you can see it's printing 0 to 9. When this condition satisfied, it will break and it will not go to this document.write. It will not print anything. So this is the use of break. If you want to break something, that is, if you want to break a loop, if your conditions are satisfied, then you can use this. So let's see if we want to use the continue here. So let's understand what continues do. Suppose, okay, let's comment it down and let's understand what continue does. So first we have see how break works. So if we write break inside some conditions, suppose if I equals to 10, and then if we write break, then it will break the loop and it will print from this 0 to 9, and the rest of this will not be printed because we have used the break keyword here, so it will break the whole loop. Now let's come to the continue. What continues do here? So continue here does the skip part. That is, if you want to skip something, suppose I want to print from 0 to 9 and then I want to skip this 10. So you can see there is some ads inside some videos. If you press on skip, the ad will be skipped. Suppose this is the ad, this 10 is the ad inside this 0 to 20, and this is our video. Okay, this is our 20 minutes video, so from 0 to 20, and we want to skip this ad inside this. Then we can, so we'll see the whole video. So we'll start watching the video from here, and then we'll come to here, and when we'll see that there is a ad, we'll skip this, we'll not watch this ad. Okay, then we'll watch this whole video. So if we don't want to watch this ad, then we can use here continue. So now if we use continue, then from 0 to 20 all the things will be printed except this 10 here. Okay, so let's see if it's worked or not. So if I equals to 10, okay, so this is our ad and you want to skip this. So to skip this, you have to write here continue. So continue will not break, continue will just skip. If this condition is satisfied, just skip this step. So just save it, and you can see 10 is gone from here. So you can see how useful is this continue and the break keyword, isn't it? So I have tried to explain you break and continue in some very basics example. My motive is to make you understand how these things are worked in some very basic examples. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this video. So in the next video we'll see another very useful concept in the JavaScript, that is ternary operator in JavaScript. How to use ternary operator in JavaScript. Don't skip that video, like this continue. Okay, and also give some your valuable opinion inside the comment section so that I can interact with you directly in the comment sections. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and keep watching the videos from InfoApp Campus. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.